So yeah, so the long and short of it is, if I put it on the regular cycle, I think the motor is doing its job. The motor is going in reverse, and it grabs the bell there just fine. So the pulley, James is here, good. So the pulley is not having a problem. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to have buffering issues, but... So if you... There's nothing... It should go up, and then something should fall, effectively. Are these brakes set differently, or... No, there's hardly anything in here. I got a friggin' flood. The control board does not... It only tells the motor to go one direction or another. That's all that it does. And so the motor is going properly in reverse, and therefore the mechanism in here, the bell, pulley, whatever, should go to agitate mode when it goes into reverse, but it doesn't actually agitate, it just spins both front and back. So I don't know what's worn. No, it drains fine. Yeah, it drains completely fine. There's no issue there. The board control, Arnold, no. All that this does is it controls, all the board does is controls forward or reverse. Once this goes into reverse, the motor reverses and it agitates. There's no other mechanism here, no clutches or anything that the control board actually does. There's nothing in here, no wires, no other thing that the control board has any, effectively any say over. The only thing that the control board does is it goes to the motor, and it reverses the motor so that the bell or pulley or whatever you want, the bell looking pulley here turns the other way. Once that turns the other way, it effectively does this impacting, agitating thing. Leonard, it drains fine. You guys aren't listening to me. It drains fine. The draining is not the problem. There look like there are little brake mechanisms here. There is no clutch. That's what I'm telling you, Arnold. There is no, like, electronic clutch. It's not here. There's no wires in here that go to an electronic clutch anywhere. It's all mechanical. Why a flood? Because when, here, I'll show you. It spins, it should agitate the whole, but instead it just spins. I'll get it started. If I put it on spin cycle, if I put it on spin cycle, the water comes out. You guys want to see that? And yes, I can spin it from the bottom. There should be 10 wires into the motor. Nope, there are like 6. This is an old machine. The pump runs the... So there's the pump. It's fine. The belt to the pump is fine. There are 6 wires to the motor. That's it. There's no electronic clutch there. All the motor does is it goes front or reverse. That's it. The motor runs fine. Just to show you, so this motor does like literally two things. Either it goes forward or goes in reverse. So here is what should be reverse, which I think it is. So that the motor is spinning counterclockwise. Okay? That's counterclockwise. Now let me put it on spin cycle, and I will show you. It goes the other. See? And that empties the water out. So even though it's turning slowly, so it doesn't splash water out, but the pump is pumping the water out. So it spins fine, but we're way off balance, but that's just regular old spin cycle. And we're basically empty of water in there. So the pump is fine. It's just that when it spins that direction, the mechanism inside here is supposed to, effectively, it's an impact. That's what it is. It's probably the same thing as an impact wrench. It really isn't any different. But for whatever reason, that mechanism is not... Hang on, guys. It ain't working good. Neither is my light. There. What looks like some type of a ratcheting mechanism. Hang on. That is hot. There's the ratcheting mechanism. It's this right here somehow is not grabbing, not slipping, not doing something. And the actuator, this is not like every other thing. So this, I'm like 10 feet away from piece in there is directly coupled to the tub. So this actually goes back and forth. The whole thing does. And there's no other good videos on YouTube to show this mechanism and how that in there and how to actually fix it. Not quite right in some way. There's a spring or some dumb thing that I'm missing. God! Yeah, Steelman. No joke. This is not an appliance repair video because I can't friggin' repair anything. And now it's gonna wanna load me back up here. I gotta go down and get. If I, it's the whole. back over to the shop. Are we buffering here? I'm so sorry, guys. If I can bring it up. Oh, shoot. Now I'm going to have a flood again. Hang on. I'll be right back. Better? Ah! Oh, God. I slipped. All right. Yeah.
Okay.
I just slipped.
What?
Guys, this is a crappy night. I'll talk to you later. I'm sorry.